Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to unbox. It's the Tree Frog Shoe Glue, known for its strong bond and durability. And guess what? It's super affordable. Don't forget to check out the link in the video description to grab one for yourself. Alright, let's get to the application part. This glue comes with a handy slim funnel, perfect for those hard-to-reach spots on your shoes. I'm going to apply it now and show you just how easy it is to use. Check this out. After applying the Tree Frog Shoe Glue, these shoes are good as new. It's incredibly effective and gives your shoes a new lease on life. For such a low price, this glue is a must-have for any shoe repair. Remember, you can find the shop link in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.